not all art is in a museum. So let's look at the street art of Copenhagen, starting out here in fields, out in the Ørsted, where we have these beautiful paintings of animals and flowers, and they have the description of what animal it is right there on it. But it's basically, well, nature. It's neighborhood. It is the signal of nature bringing it into the city. And that is why we have these beautiful paintings right here. But let's head out into Copenhagen and see what else there is of beautiful artworks that is free for all to enjoy.
Like they stroke after stroke, stroke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more. Tell me what I want, just keep searching on. It's never enough, cup after cup, blunt after blunt. I wouldn't get one if I could find a far, in the car, then I put that on my mama. And my bitch call, talking about some drama. I swear there ain't no time for women on a coma. It's either pussy or the commas. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check.
One of the curious thing about Amager, I have spent months upon months doing research for this video, and most of these paintings out here on Amager has no backstory. There's no story joining. It is just there. If I'm lucky, there is an artist like this one, where it's some that has painted this. There's an artist, but there is no clear story that I can find. So if you know some of the stories for some of the paintings, write the time code in the comments and the backstory, because I'd love to hear it. That's it for some more beautiful paintings on walls.
And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Knowing all of this shit just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit to the ones that listen. I can with the heat, man, I swear I'm never missing. And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never switching. Knowing all of this shit just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit to the ones that listen. I can with the heat, man, I swear I'm never missing. And I'm still the same, and I swear I'm never switching. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check.
One of the artists you see a lot out here on Amager is a villain that has also made this picture. The way you can know which is by villain, apart from saying villain in the bottom, is these dark brownish colors. And there are plenty of them, and still they have no story to them, but they are quite a masterpiece, every one of them. So make sure you look out for them, and let's see if we can find some with some story to it.
Round one, fight!
The pharmacy.
Like a tone, bitch, I'm looking like a lick. Think up Thanos, rock thumb in my fist. Entertainment with your bitch at night like Nick. Drake and Josh, how we team your bitch. Michael Jackson, one glove I hit. Crying in the club with my stick. AK 50 spit, how I got slimes on deck. Metal long, let it just flick big. Two girls, two cups, no, I had to level up. Ate a Mario mushroom quick. No, these niggas be chickens like a nugget. They be just actors, there's a Washington. I'ma play this at a song on a small violin. For the niggas in my scrap bin. Maybe we could get along, maybe we could be friends in another looking like my friend. Yo, cut dough. Baby on my nuts though. Cause I don't give a fuck ho. I might be around squirrels cause a nigga is a nut ho. This that, yes I get the biggest saturated fucking big fat. I'm not skinny dipping, big dripping, bitch, big facts. Chief, keep that pussy bang. Pretty please don't act like me, and you is the fucking same thing. Yes nigga, I switched the floater on what the docs gang.
Hey,
They tryna bite like a vampire fang. Diamonds wanna bend and land a nigga ang. Intelligence is only for the gentlemen, so silly pussy niggas just tricks for kids. That's a fact like a stumper captain. Lame niggas saying that they fucking demons, don't wonder that they lost up in the sauce in this bitch. I ain't never did a false deity, give me power or do a damn thing for me, bitch. While I'm acting like a monster like Stitch, you be acting like a bitch, so I call you sis. Switch rule your bitch, This what I call an assist, Tell them this ain't that and that ain't this. What the fuck am I wrist, Cut those, baby, on my nuts, cause I don't give a fuck, I might be a road squirrel, cause a nigga is a nut,
Is this art or is it vandalism? Comment down below. But in my opinion, this is not art. It's the beginning of something that can turn into what we have right over here. Because this might be tech, but they are artful. Notice the lines and notice the use of colors. Notice this skilled artwork. And these are small stones they have painted on, so it's difficult without getting too much shadow. Actually, a different material to make this kind of beautiful art pieces on. And I think this is artwork. So one is something that can turn into art over time if the artist practice. This shows skillful mastery of the spray can. But there's so much more to see out here. This series about Copenhagen street art is not finished because you will see much more right over there. So follow me over there and see much more of the street art scene of Copenhagen. Looking forward to seeing you right over there in a minute. So take it now. Yep.